everyone, Khatam Ali for Objection, back again with the news as we always promise. Today we're gonna talk about S9 Plus. Here is it in my hand. I'm not gonna talk about it too much. I'm just gonna explain for you so important point. He's same copy of S9 Plus, you know. I'm gonna tell you something. Now I check all his tips, tricks, features, everything about it. You know, he's the same exactly like S8 Plus. But you have to know, for example, this is S8 Plus over there. S8 Plus is bigger size, little bit than S9 Plus. Now I'll see how beautiful screen. Now guys, you know, I put S8 Plus beside him. The frame, the body size of S8 Plus is more bigger. He's the same size of screen. Focus about this point. He's the same size of screen, but the body of S8 Plus is bigger than S9 Plus by a little bit. Listen, I'm gonna tell you something. You have here Bixby bottom. You have here dual camera and sensor down. You have the silver beautiful color. This is silver color, you know, so beautiful. I'm just gonna tell you something. You know what's the difference between S9 Plus and S8 Plus? Camera and processor, that's all. Here you have a motion camera. You got me? Which is mean, I'm gonna tell you, see for example, yeah, I'm gonna make my face like this. See, I can talk. I can get mad. I can get mad. I can talk. I can scream. This is really gorgeous, you know. Okay, so you have just tips, you know, see here, AR in motion camera and super slow in motion camera. This is really beautiful tips, you know. This really is something funny. So all I can tell you that is nothing special. I actually from listen. If you hold it in your hand, same screen, same sound. Yeah, listen. Let me be honest with you. You have this options extra office, you know. And what we're gonna say? He have Dolby. He support Dolby system, sound system. You got me. You know, guys, I check him completely. You know, he have Bixby, everything the same. Just he have Dolby sound system, which is mean S8 Plus don't have a Dolby sound system, but S9 Plus have Dolby sound system. As mic, as camera, as everything, he's the same. And I told you, see here, for example, let's go here, see, Dolby almost, this is about, if you have Dolby speakers, you're gonna hear better voice, you understand me, if you have Dolby speakers. But if you don't have Dolby speaker system, you're gonna hear the same, you understand, because AKG not supporting Dolby system. So you're gonna have the same, nothing. This only case if you have a Dolby speakers, you're gonna hear better voice. So he's the same white. He's the same white like S8 Plus. See, for S8 Plus, I put them beside each other now. They are same screen, just the body frame of S8 Plus more. And they put the fingerprint down, they put dual camera option. And listen, I don't know if it's true or not. Let's see together. Where is it's held? They say that they add the pressure, you know. Oh, I'm agree. Oh, come on. I agree. Next. Oh, necessarily to sign. Anyway, listen to me, guys. In S Health, they add the blood pressure option. So let's back again to the what's the difference between him and S8 Plus. Dual camera, more camera option, tips and tricks, processor more strong, and he have in sports engine heart rating. He have blood pressure tests, which is mean SA Plus don't have blood pressure tests. So he have this 5 option that I mentioned for you now. This is the difference between him and S8 Plus. Same screen, same apps, same camera quality, same everything. And he have this Dolby system. This is, as I tell you, if you have Dolby speakers, it's gonna work with you well. If you don't have Dolby speakers, you're not gonna see the difference. But anyway, it's gorgeous phone. So much gorgeous. Like him, like S8 Plus, they are both gorgeous. I like this color actually, it's beautiful. Silver color is the best color for S8 and S9. So anyway guys, thanks for watching and see you again in another video. And don't close this video. In the end I show you a lot of beautiful things about, watch and laugh, you know. I make for you something cool. And see you again in another video with Hadmani Projection. Peace, bye bye.
Isa! Bisa, where are you? Bisa will kill you. Bisa. Da hati mushka, ya mama Nina. Da, ya mama Nina. Ya mama Nina. Go say. ادين مومنت حتي مشكا ادين مومنت حتي مشكا يا دا ماما نينا دا فاي ماما نينا ادين مومنت بيبي what the hell كسوشة يا خد شو سينج the hell is going with you? Yeah. Ksusha. Close one eye, open one eye. Close one eye, close them both. Open them both. No! I'm cartoon. I'm Kisa. I'm Kisa. Oh, this is really cool. Wow, what about if I will be like this?